walked over to the U.S. Embassy and went over to City Hall, and we got legally married. Second announcement, we will be doing a wedding next March in Taiwan, and if you guys could join, we would be very happy to have you. Oh, I forgot. So, see, we did a marriage, a legal marriage, and we're planning a wedding, but there's something we're missing. So, please say yes.